as you may know, SVG has been part of EPUB specification, already part of EPUB specification since EPUB 2.0, but have not widely been used because many browsers cannot provide support of SVG rendering. But when we come to EPUB 3, and EPUB 3 is based on HTML5 and also supports SVG. All of the major browsers already support HTML and also support SVG. So I think EPUB 3 content will use SVG technology, more SVG technology in the future. Currently, the EPUB 3 draft conforms to SVG 1.1 specification. More specifically, second edition of 1.1. The second edition of SVG 1.1 is not WCC recommendation yet. We are working on the final stage of the second edition. And you can expect the second edition will become WCC proposed recommendation and recommendation very soon. We believe this will be well before EPUB 3 finalization. And also, this specification is also different by many browser vendors. And many browser vendors actually support this specification, not the latest version of SVG. The latest version of SVG is SVG 1.2, but most major browsers support SVG 1.1 second edition. So that's the reason we suggest EPUB working group to different this specification, and we are very happy with their decision to difference this. Another important point for EPUB 3 is EPUB 3 allows the use of SVG as a top-level document. In EPUB 2.0, you can use SVG, but only as the graphic format, and which have to be different from XHTML document. That's only possible. But in EPUB 3, you don't need to use HTML if you want. You can just use SVG document. So that's very useful if you want to create a more layout-oriented document. Another important point is current EPUB 3 draft does not allow the use of SVG animation. And we discussed this in the SVG working group meeting, and most people are happy with this decision. One of the reasons is SVG is currently working on the major revision, and we are currently working on SVG 2.0, and we plan to redesign SVG animation in SVG 2.0. So it's reasonable to omit the support of SVG animation in the current specification. Also, you can use JavaScript if you want to do animation without using SVG animation feature. So we think it's reasonable to omit the support of SVG as mentioned. There are several useful usage scenarios to use top-level SVG content document. The most important one is some kind of design-oriented publication like magazine. Of course, you can use PDF for that kind of content, but if you use SVG, the same kind of publication are possible also in EPUB. And there is a feature in design, Adobe InDesign, to export the content in SVG format. Adobe InDesign also can convert the document into EPUB format, but it's on scale. It's just convert the content into raster image. So it's not much useful. But you can export InDesign content into SVG format, and you can create SVG-based EPUB content by using this technique. Also, there is a way to convert PDF format into SVG format. Adobe have a technology called Merge. You can find Merge in the Adobe Labs site. And by using this module, any PDF content can be saved in SVG format.